Aya Neo, a new challenger for handheld PC gaming? The Aya Neo is apparently ready for release pending tweaks, February 26 for the first 900 pre-orders, and a few reviewers online have already received a Founder Edition for testing. It's a regular handheld gaming PC with the most powerful specs ever seen for this kind of format so far, using an AMD Ryzen processor. On a 7-inch screen, however, in handheld format, such titles will look pretty good nevertheless. It is also a beast for emulation, and it can emulate a Nintendo Switch. This is probably the first time something in the same kind of format can emulate another system so well. Since this is like a regular PC, there should be no problem installing Linux on the Aya Neo from day one, so that you can use it not just for gaming, but for just about anything as well. And the Indiegogo campaign supporters will be able to pre-purchase the Aya Neo for $699 United States dollars, but the actual retail price of this handheld should be somewhat higher when it becomes widely available. In any case, it will be competing with the GPD Win 3, which is also in the same kind of format, albeit with an integrated sliding keyboard. Even though the Smash Z seems to be pretty much dead now, it's great to see that the idea of handheld PC gaming lives on with even better options year after year. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.